Hello friends, today we are making broccoli soup. This is a very easy recipe that students and bachelors can make on their own. We have cooked or boiled broccoli, milk, cheese, sugar, black pepper, salt and garlic. Now first grind the black pepper, add the garlic. Now add the steamed broccoli. The broccoli is now ground to a nice paste. Now add the milk. Now add this mixture into a cooking pot. Let it simmer on low or medium heat. And let it cook perfect or bubbles. Add the sugar and salt. Now top with cheese.